Now let me introduce you to the style spy. Before you leave the page, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Dopest pages you can land on, man. Everything fashion right here.
Hey guys, this is Style Spy, and here is what you'll need. You'll need some Hot Fix gems. I got the size 20, a Hot Fix gun, a jean jacket. I got this from Rainbow for $7. Thank you, Rainbow. And some jeans, high-waisted jeans. I got those from Rainbow for $7 also. Once you plug your gun in, heat it up, put the right socket in it, and then press your gems on your jacket and just press down. Once they get hot, they will stick. The good thing about these gems is they already come with glue on them, so it's already adhesive, so you don't have to worry about adding any glue to it. This was the easiest project that I have done so far. One thing that I did realize is that while I was pressing it, that the gem would sometimes get stuck in the gun, so you would have to use the tweezers to take out the gem and then place it back down.
Check the CD them, check the mixing board, make sure the earphone around. Check.
Alright, Style Spy, what you say? Alright, okay. Style Spy, what you say?